13 through 18 are going to be a quick go because I'm actually not going to even write anything down. I'm going to go right into the calculator because that's just the kind of problem that they are. You are essentially given the data for the revenue was this each year. It increases as that rate. What will it be in 3 years? It's simple interest. So 400,000. Okay, 400,000. It increases at 1. The glare on the lights. I just took my dogs out, so it's freezing out there. 1.0. So I'm trying to warm up here. 1.016. And what's it going to be in 3 years? Okay, so yep, it's going to grow. Makes sense. Okay, it's going to grow by 20,000 just because it's that much money. You know, I mean, 400,000 is a lot. So, revenue, yeah, so that's your answer. Rounded to the nearest cent, that would be 84 cents. Next one. I got a $9,000 investment for 10 years, and it's going to be compounded monthly. Okay. So this one I'm going to type in very carefully. All right. I'm going to remember that monthly means that it's going to be, it's going to have a fraction bar. Okay. If you forget the formula, you're doomed before you even start. So remember that you are going to increase by 0.036%, but you're going to carve that up into months. So remember, you got to split that rate so that it is into month, 12 months per year, and we're going to raise that to the number of years. But just remember, it's 10 years, but you're doing that at 12 times each year. Okay, so there's our final answer. And it is rounded, doesn't say. So the future value of 9,000 at 3.6% compounded monthly for 10 years. Yeah, pretty good. $12,893. All right, same thing now. We just have different values. So that's pretty much it for 12 through 18. You know, it's you're not going to have this many on the test, but I just want you to get into a rhythm of things. I want you to be really comfortable with them. Get the right answers many, many times. Compounded semi-annually just means that you're going to be dividing by 2. That's going to happen twice a year. But we do have 0.034%. And remember, if you don't move that decimal and you leave it as 3.4, it's not going to make any sense. It'll explode. Okay. Because then you would be giving it 300%. No, that's not true because you're going to break it up into 2. You'd be doubling it. And you don't want to do that. All right, that closes up our parentheses. We're going to raise it to 6 years, but we're going to do it twice a year. So that's a total of 12 times. We got 3,060.49 cents. All right, number 16. Okay, this one is compounded weekly. All right, so again, 5,500. We're going to go 1. Is it increasing? Yes. It's increasing because it's being compounded. That implies increasing. So that would be fraction bar here. We've got 0.05. We are compounded weekly, so it's 52 times. And you might not think that that's a big deal as long as you know that you do it 52 times for 7 years. Okay, so there's our value there. It's going to be $7,803.56. Okay, and that is 5.5%, so that's why it's growing like that. Just double checking here. I want to make sure oh, no, that's not right. It's a little higher. What I did is I missed the 0.55. You guys are probably already yelling at the screen, weren't you? All right, good. You should be yelling at the screen. Okay, so it's a little higher. $8,081.23. That's your answer. Okay, next one. We've got $10,000 invested for 4 years, 4.3 compounded daily. Okay, again, 1 plus, get that fraction bar, just to like play it safe, make it look just like your formula looks. You're going to be doing this for 365 times, and you're going to do that. You're going to raise it to the 365 times the number of years that you're doing it. That's 4, and we've got $11,876.66. Okay, alright, so we'll stop there for this video, and then in the next we'll start talking about this compounded continuously.